binaba na sa PRRD. Sinabihan niya yung mga taga-ICC, yung mga medical personnel, you bring him to the hospital. Sinabihan niya. Kasi, for those sa inyo na hindi nakakaalam, hindi yan napapagod yan on long travels. Galing lang sila sa Hong Kong. Ngayon, you have a very long travel to The Hague. Anyway, so, something happened there I don't want to discuss. So, yun ang talaga ang strict instruction ni ES. Bring him to the hospital. Siya naman, there was already an onset. No? Dumaan na siya dun sa meron na siyang heart condition. He was brought to the hospital on a wheelchair. And, sensya namin mo. He was told that he has to be admitted. But he said na, I don't want to be admitted. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi pag i-admit siya sa hospital, hindi niya makikita si PRRD. That was Wednesday that I arrived. The initial hearing was Friday, Wednesday evening. But the doctor said, you will die. You know what the short reply of ES? Bingo? He said, everyone dies. He was treated, but eventually he was discharged. I mean, he was not confined, but the following day, Thursday, they were looking for Mayor Rudy, for Tatay Digong. They went to the detention facility. There is no Mr. Duterte here. Pupunta sa hospital kasi they could not find him. So, in short, naganap. Nalaman na lang nila, he was brought, I think, on the second night. So if my memory, if what was said to me was correct. No? Anyway, Friday morning, kasi 1:30 yung hearing. Yan, 1:30 Friday ang hearing. Morning, he had occasion and he really asked for time with his client. Asked for his client. So, he was there for an hour inside. Nagalit pa siya kasi dumating yung doktor, kinuha yung 20 minutes of his time. Kasi sine-check up pa siya na. So sabi niya, nung umalis yung doktor, sinabihan niya yung detention facility, don't take 20 minutes, take away the 20 minutes that he took from me. So, nag-usap sila, blah blah blah. So, yun po ang nangyari. And then, that afternoon, talagang pagod na pagod siya. Pagod na pagod si ES Bingo. And, nung pumasok siya, ang gara ng ano niya, no? Ng suot niya. Alam mo, naka-sneaker at saka jogging pants lang yan sa loob. No, sinabi niya sa akin. Naka-sneaker at saka jogging pants. Sabi niya, I can appear this way. But the registry, yung tinatawag na registry sa kanila, Office of the Clerk of Court, no, you have to don the official attire of the court out of respect to the court. So that's why you see him that way. Pero talagang all the preparations and all the things that I did until that hearing was something very remarkable for ES Bingbong to do what he needed to do. So I thank you, ES Bingbong, for the service that you have done, not only to the country, but personally to PRRD. Thank you very much. Nakakagalit. Not because of me, but because of Mayor Rudy. Because of him. But you know what? I watched that video again, and I was trying to recall that almost everyone was up to their feet. Tumataas yung boses. Makita naman kung sino yung tumataas ng boses. Lahat na. pati din ako siguro. But I like to put that in context. No? I have to hold my ground because some people were telling me bakit hindi ko raw binalikan or anong ginawa ko kay General Torre. But you know what? Ano ko lang ito? Pinag-isipan ko lang yun na I need to hold my ground because I need to protect the President on my side. With E.S. Migueldea on the other side. Kasi mas matanda si E.S. Migueldea, nung sinita siya, hindi talaga niya mapigilan, kaya napusasan si E.S. Migueldea. But I like to go back to my observation once I was looking at that video, that particular video. And you try to look that you try to watch that video again in your own time and try to see that whole stretch of about siguro mga 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? And then try to see who was the most calm in that video. Sino? Si Tatay. Sa totoo lang,
Ano ang inyong reaksyon patungkol dito? Para sa iba pang mga katanungan o suhestyon, i-comment nyo lamang sa ating comment section.